My name is Lourdes Still, and I am the person behind Masagana Flower Farm and Studio. Masagana Flower Farm and Studio is an hour away from the city of Winnipeg. I am located between the towns of Richer and the Brokery. It is a cozy little place that I have here at the farm. So Masagana Flower Farm and Studio is a seasonal flower farm and dye studio in Southeast Manitoba. We grow seasonal blooms and makes small batch handmade natural dyed textile goods. And it is home to one experiential tour where people have a 3-hour engagement at the farm where people get to learn the dye plants and flowers that we grow. They get to pick their own blooms that they really like, and then come back to my workshop and I lead them on how to make a tangible memory of their time at the farm. So it could be on a silk scarf or a cotton bandana. And at the end of our creative time, I get to invite you to participate in my table and have a light festive salo-salo together. Salo-salo is a Filipino tradition of like coming together around food. What I would hope for people to get from this experience is they will feel that respite from the fast-paced living in the city, that they will feel relaxed, grounded, refreshed even, and also learn something new, and they'll come home like really feeling inspired. I feel like it is my testimony that no matter who and where we are, growing joy and creating magic is right at our fingertips. Our farm is small. Here we are practicing growing without synthetic fertilizers, in garden beds where lawns have previously existed. It is also how we're showing on how we're advocating for an eco-conscious lifestyle in hope that others will be inspired. How can they reimagine their own green spaces? And you can find more information and all about our small-scale flower farm by looking up Masagana Flower Farm on the web, Instagram, and Facebook.